Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tends to Math, Do Math, Not Myth. In today's lesson, we learn about the second part of set theory. I have already uploaded the first part of set theory. If you have not yet watched it, then you must visit my channel and watch this video, and next you watch the second part of set theory. So let's move on to today's topic. This is the part 2 of set theory. Set operations. Set operations. First, union of two sets. Union of two sets. Let us take a set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and another set B equal to 4, 5, 6. Then we can write A union B as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This symbol is called union. It means one element, let us take one element 2 or let us take one element 4. 4 is either belongs to A or belongs to B. Okay, that is 4, if 4 is either belongs to A or belongs to B, then we can write it as A union B. Since any set cannot contain same element for 2 times, so here we cannot write 4 for 2 times. Okay, so this is A union B. Next is intersection of two sets. Let us take a set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, another set B, 3, 4. Then we can write A intersection B as 3 and 4. This sign is called intersection. Two set A and B, and here 3 and 4 are the common element which is belong to the two sets A and B. So the common part, when we take the common part, then it make this A intersection B. That is 3 belongs to A and B, also 4 belongs to A and B. So when the condition AND occurred, then we can write A intersection B, and when the condition either or occurred, then we can write A union B. Okay? Next, disjoint sets. If we take a set A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 4 and 5, then there we cannot find any common element, so then we can write A intersection B equal to 5. That is, A intersection B is a null set or void set. So then A and B are called disjoint set. Okay, please note down it. Next is difference of two sets. Difference of two sets. Let us take an example. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 1, 2. Okay. Then difference between two set is denoted by A minus B. That is, cancel out the part of B from A. If we cancel out the part of B from A, then we can get only these two terms 3 and 4. This is the difference of two sets. We may also let us take another example, that C equal to A, E, I, O, U and D equal to I, O, U. Therefore, C minus D is A and E. It means we cancel out D from C. So I, O, U is cancel out from A, E, I, O, U. This is the difference of two sets. So note down it. Next topic is Venn diagram. Okay. Now let us draw first an universal set. This is universal set U, and we take two sets A and a set B. Okay, it is A and it is B. Now here the relation between A and B is A union B. Then which part we can shed? A union B means if any element present either A or B, okay, then we can shaded this part This is the Venn diagram of A union B. Next Venn diagram is this is universal set. These are two sets A and B, and the relation between A and B is A intersection B. And A intersection B means the common part of two set. Here the common part of two set is this shaded portion. So this is the Venn diagram for A intersection B. Okay, note down. Next is this is the universal set. These are two sets A and B, and the relation between A and B is A minus B. That is, remove the part of B from A. If we remove the part of B from A, then the shaded portion is this is the Venn diagram for A minus B. Okay, note down. Our next Venn diagram this is the universal set. These are two sets A and B, and the relation between A and B is B minus A. It means remove the part of A from B. If we remove the part of A from B, then we get this shaded portion, and this is the Venn diagram for B minus A. Okay, please note down. Next, this is universal set. Here we draw one set A, and here the relation is A complement. A complement means if we remove this set A from this universal set, that is U minus A, okay, then it is called A complement, and then the shaded portion is so this is the required Venn diagram for A complement. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting more updates, and share this video on your Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp account as much as you wish. And if you have any query, then please comment in the comment section. So take care and goodbye.